Welcome to Linguistics series, a podcast about linguistic courses taken at the most peaceful university in Nigeria, Usmanu Danfodiyo University, Sokoto. In each episode, we bring you the highlights of topics in linguistic courses taken at the Department of Linguistics, Usmanu Danfodiyo University, Sokoto. This is with a view to complementing the physical contact teaching and recovering teaching and learning losses between and among lecturers and students of the university. I am your host, Isa Muhammad. In today's episode, we are going to highlight important facts about one of the language families in Africa, that is Niger-Congo. My dear listeners, I would like to begin by highlighting the general overview of the Niger-Congo phyla. Considering the number of its speakers and languages as well as its wide geographical spread, Niger-Congo is by far the largest of the four major phyla of Africa. The other three are Nilo-Saharan, Afro-Asiatic, and Khoisan. It comprises more than 1,000 languages and is spoken by about 60% of the population of Africa. In terms of classification and distribution, Niger-Congo predominates in sub-Saharan Africa, extending from Senegal in the west to Kenya in the east and south up to South Africa. Though its classification is not settled, it is generally agreed that Niger-Congo encompasses 9 families or subfamilies. These are Atlantic, Mande, Kuru, Gur or Voltaic, Kwa, Adamawa Ubangi, Benue Congo, which includes the Bantu languages, Ijoid, and Kordofanian. Let us now briefly discuss about each subfamily of the Niger-Congo. The first one, Atlantic. This is the westernmost branch of the Niger-Congo. Atlantic languages are spoken along the Atlantic coast. That is in the countries that border the Atlantic Ocean, countries like Angola, Algeria, Cameroon, Gambia, Ghana, Mauritania, Senegal, South Africa, Morocco, Namibia, and several others including Nigeria. Prominent member languages in these family include, among others, Wolof and Fulfulde, which extend inland into the savannas up to Sudan. The second subfamily is Mande. The best known Mande languages spoken in Western Africa are Bambara, Diula, Malinke, Mandinka, and Maninkakan. Next is Kuru languages. These languages are spoken in the forest regions of southern Liberia and southwest Ivory Coast. The fourth subfamily of the Niger-Congo is Gur. The largest of the Gur or Voltaic languages are spoken mainly in Burkina Faso, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Togo, and Benin is Muri. Next is Kwa. The Kwa family in the southern regions of Ivory Coast, Ghana, Togo, and Benin includes Baule, Akan, and Iwe. Next is Adamawa Ubangi. The languages under Adamawa Ubangi are spoken in Cameroon, southern Chad, and the Central African Republic. They include languages like Baya, Banda, and Zande. Next is Benue Congo, and Benue Congo is by far the largest family of the Niger-Congo. It is divided between non-Bantoid and Bantoid. The latter itself divided into the non-Bantu languages of central Cameroon and eastern Nigeria, and the Bantu languages that spread across the entire southern half of the continent. The main non-Bantoid languages are the Nigerian, Yoruba, and Igbo. Of the Bantu languages, the most numerous are Swahili, Rwanda, Shona, and Zulu. Next is Ijoid. which is located in the Niger Delta of Nigeria and includes languages like Defaka and the Ijo cluster. Next is Kordofanian languages, which are geographically separated from the other Niger-Congo languages and confined to the mountains of central Sudan. My respected listeners, talking about the speakers of the Niger-Congo languages, I would say that there are more than 600 million people that speak a Niger-Congo language, 330 million of which speak one of the Bantu group. For each of the 9 families, the approximate number of speakers is: Benue Congo has about 500 million speakers, Atlantic group has about 30 million speakers, Kwa 25 million speakers, Mande 25 million speakers, Gur 24 million speakers, Adamawa Ubangi 12 million speakers, Kuru 3 million speakers, Ijoid 2.5 million speakers, and Kordofanian with about 600,000 speakers. Among the individual languages that are most popular are Yoruba language, spoken in Nigeria and Benin. A Benue Congo subfamily is spoken by about 29.4 million speakers. Igbo language, spoken in Nigeria, a member of Benue Congo, is spoken by about 24.3 million speakers. Then Fulfulde language, spoken by about 10 million speakers, is Atlantic and spoken in West and Central Africa. Shona, with 13 million speakers, is a member of Benue Congo, spoken largely in Zimbabwe. Zulu, a language spoken in South Africa and a member of Benue Congo, is spoken by about 12 million native speakers. Nyanja, 11.5 million speakers, a Benue Congo member, spoken largely in Malawi. Akan, with about 10 million speakers, Kwa language, spoken predominantly in Ghana. Rwanda, with about 9.7 million speakers, is a Benue Congo language, largely spoken in Rwanda and Uganda. Then you have Burundi, spoken by about 9 million speakers. It's a Benue Congo language spoken largely in Burundi. You have Kosa, a language spoken by about 8.7 million speakers, a member of Benue Congo, largely spoken in South Africa. Next is Mure, a language largely spoken in Burkina Faso, a member of Gur sub-family of Niger-Congo, is spoken by about 8 million speakers. You have Kikuyu, spoken by about 7 million speakers, a member of Benue Congo, largely spoken in Kenya. Then you have Swahili. Swahili is being spoken by about 6 million native speakers. Is a member of Benue Congo, spoken in East African coast. However, you should note that the total number of Swahili speakers, including first and second language speakers, amount to 50 to 100 million. The next language is Wolof, spoken by about 5.3 million speakers, a member of Atlantic, spoken largely in Senegal and Gambia. Lastly, you have Bambara, spoken by about 4 million speakers, a member of Mande sub-family of Niger-Congo, largely spoken in Mali. Let us now briefly highlight the major shared linguistic features upon which Niger-Congo languages were classified as a family. In terms of phonology, Niger-Congo languages are known of exhibiting vowel harmony. The northern group of the Atlantic branch and the non-Bantu languages of Benue Congo exhibit the advanced tongue root ATR vowel harmony. Similarly, Most Niger-Congo languages have tones, and as such are tonal languages. Though some of the most important languages in Niger-Congo, like Swahili and Fulfulde, are not tonal. They do not use tones. Usually, Niger-Congo languages have 2 or 3 tones, but in some languages, 4 or 5 tones are marked. Tones serve to make lexical and grammatical distinctions. In terms of morphology, most Niger-Congo languages exhibit robust noun class system. Noun class system is the system in which nouns are grouped in different classes, marked by prefixes, suffixes, or both. All members of a given class share the same affix. Most noun class systems have an accompanying concord system. That is, other elements of the noun phrase, such as determiners, adjectives or quantifiers, and frequently the verbs as well, are marked by an affix selected according to the class of the noun. The number of noun classes varies greatly from language to language. For instance, Proto-Bantu language had about 19 noun classes. Atlantic languages have from 3 to 25 classes, and Gur languages usually have 11 noun classes. Some classes are semantic: humans, animals, plants, parts of the body. Others are based on grammatical categories, that is, infinitives, locatives, diminutives, but many are heterogeneous. Similarly, serial verb constructions are frequent in Niger-Congo languages. In them, 2 or more verbs having the same subject, tense and mood stand next to each other without a conjunction. My dear listeners, with this brief highlight about the Niger-Congo family, we have come to the end of our presentation for today. However, I encourage you all to kindly look up for open educational resources available online to increase your knowledge about the Niger-Congo languages. In the next episode, I will be discussing about another language phyla of Africa, and that is Nilo-Saharan. Until then, it is your host, Isa Muhammad, saying bye-bye.